In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a mass email using Zoho CRM. Whether you're reaching out to potential customers or keeping your existing contacts updated, Zoho CRM makes the mass emailing process straightforward and efficient. Let's walk through each step clearly to ensure you can execute this task with confidence. First, you'll want to navigate to the homepage of your Zoho CRM. It's where all your primary actions begin and a helpful hub for managing your CRM activities. Once you're logged in and at the home page, look for the Leads tab on your dashboard. Click on it. The Leads section is crucial because it holds all the contact information you need to utilize for your mass mailing endeavor. With the Leads section open, direct your attention to the Actions button. Clicking this provides a drop-down menu with various impactful tools. One of these options is Mass Email. Select it to start drafting your email campaign. Now, you should see an option to Create Mass Email. Clicking here will guide you into the email creation interface. Once you're in the email creation area, you have an excellent tool at your disposal. Templates. Templates streamline the email drafting process by offering pre-designed layouts that you can customize to fit the context and tone of your message. Explore the available templates and choose one that effectively communicates your intended information or promotion. After selecting a template, it's time to specify your From email address. This is the address recipients will see as the sender, so ensure it is recognizable and professional. Next, choose a Reply To email address, which serves as the email where any recipient replies will be directed. It's often wise to use a monitored email for this option to facilitate smooth communications. Now, let's talk about send options. These settings allow you to determine when and how your email is distributed. Whether you wish the emails to be sent immediately or scheduled for a later date, this flexibility can help you plan and execute timely email campaigns. Pay careful attention to these settings to ensure your emails reach your audience at the optimal time. In addition to choosing send options, don't overlook the follow-up action settings. This feature enables you to set automatic responses or actions based on recipient interactions with your email. It's an effective way to manage engagement without closely monitoring every reply. With all these steps completed and settings double-checked, you're ready for the final action, sending your mass email. Hit the Send button, and with that, your tailored message will soon make its way to your audience. Congratulations, you've just completed a mass email in Zoho CRM, enhancing your communication outreach with efficiency and precision.